So, in this video, we're diving into exploding topics in Google Trends. Let's break it down to see how each tool can help you finding trends. And hey, I've got links in the description if you want to dive right in. First up, exploding topics. This tool is like having a crystal ball for emerging trends. It's perfect for marketers, entrepreneurs, and investors who want to stay ahead of the curve. It finds trends 12 plus months before they're popular by scanning millions of data points across the web. We're talking about trends in everything from tech and health to fashion and fitness. You get access to an ever expanding database of over 1.1 million under the radar markets, products, and investment opportunities. With exploding topics, you don't just see what's trending now, you get trend analysis, trend tracking, and instant alerts when new trends are about to take off. You also get deep dive data on growth, search metrics, and channel level insights. And with their trend forecasting feature, you can even see what next year's trends will look like using cutting edge machine learning. Big names like Google, McKinsey, and Goldman Sachs are already using exploding topics to stay ahead. They've got a free plan if you want to get started with limited access to trends and more comprehensive paid plans to fit different needs. The entrepreneur plan at $39 a month, investor at $99, and business at $249. Each plan gives you more trends to track, more analyses, and additional features like CSV export and API access. Now, Google Trends. It's the OG of trend analysis. If you want to know what people are searching for in real time, this is your tool. It's free, easy to use, and it's got data going back years. You can track interest over time, compare search terms, and even drill down to specific regions. Whether you're planning content, ads, or just want to know what's hot right now, Google Trends gives you a broad view of the current interest. So, which one's for you? If you're looking for emerging trends before they blow up and want to get a huge competitive advantage, exploding topics is the game changer. If you want to track search interest and see what's popular right now, Google Trends is your go to. Decision time, pick the tool that matches your goals, get started, and start making smarter decisions. Links are in the description. Click, sign up, and stay ahead of the curve. Did you find value from this video? Smash that like button and hit subscribe. See you in the next one.